Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here right now in San Manuel Market. So actually, I oftenly used to come here along with my wife for the buying and the purchasing stuff. But unfortunately, I never had a vlog on this particularly market, which is actually next to us. But today I am here to start with one of the famous grocery over here. So as you can see, that is the name of Amber store. They are more than 20 years here. So I believe you are the oldest one, right, madam? So who is the concerning person here? Who is the arbab here? Honor. She's the one?
No, I'm the one.
Ah, you are the one, mashallah. May I know your good name?
Amber.
Madam. Amber, oh mashallah. Yes. Okay, so Amber.
Yes, sir.
I see. Nice to meet you, madam.
Yes.
So God bless you. It's happy to meet you over here.
Also with you, sir.
Yes, it's my pleasure because you are beautiful people here with beautiful country. So I love. Actually, unfortunately, I was thinking I should have make my own whole vlog for the whole market, but I couldn't find time because it's very big. It's a market.
Yes,
if I will go randomly even explore, I need one day.
Yes.
So inshallah,
Maybe a week.
probably
To
yes,
explore the
yes,
whole-
of course, yeah.
Yes.
But oftenly every day and now we are here, but I never think of. I had it planned, but it's postponing. So at least today is the
Now.
start.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I started with Amber. So yes. So you have mashallah a lot of grocery items over here, as I can see, right? And because my wife, she knows, so of course you are good in pricing, economical pricing. So Amber, she's the owner over here, and it's nice talking to Miss Amber,
Yes.
Madam Amber, and she has plenty of collection of rice. Actually, in general, they have lot of grocery items. So I will recommend in my vlog, particularly, even I'm new, but they are very old. But rather than I have 20 years experience in Dubai.
Okay.
So I was 20 years in Dubai.
So you're good also in Dubai.
Yes, in Dubai, yes. But unfortunately, because of this pandemic, we are here. But everything is good for something, you never
sir.
know.
Yes.
Yeah, because there is secrets always behind something which is in God hand always. But we never know. When the times will come, it will tell you, yes, it was good for you and it was bad for you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, definitely. All right, Amber, nice talking to you, inshallah. So I will share it in my vlog,
Thank you.
and
Yes.
I will be happy if you will watch it and you will share it with your friends and your knowing
Okay.
people. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
I will
You're
just randomly.
welcome.
Yes, thank you. So aside from this one, this is some shops over here, as you can see. So as you can see that this is a market in San Manuel. There are plenty of shops over here, food, groceries, hardware items, stores, electrical things, household items, and plenty of other things as well. So I wish I can explore each one shop by shop, and I will be happy that to capture each shop owner to meet them personally. So it will take a lot for me time, but unfortunately I cannot do right now. But over here there are, you can see some of them. Morning. Magandang umaga. So this is one of the streets. So there are plenty of shops that you can see.